What's up, everybody? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. We got a little hobnobbing to go do today, so we're headed to Charlotte. We got a booth this weekend at the Charlotte Racers Expo. So me and Fred's headed up there. It's on a Friday. We got to stop and see the newly announced sponsor for the Star Super Stock Tour point standing, Tate Lida. That's the way he told me to say it. So we're going to stop and see Tate. He's going to treat us to some lunch at Alliance Drive-Away Solutions on the way up there in Chester, South Carolina. Still a little early this morning, but we got to get up there to the Charlotte Racers Expo in Concord, North Carolina, get our booth set up for our Street Stock Tour, Super Stock Tour, the Stars Super Stock Tour, and be ready for tomorrow, which is Saturday. It's a big expo. We'll be passing schedules out, trying to get more partners, trying to get everybody excited about what we're trying to do. So other than that, it's time to go. 85 on 85. Once Fred gets in the truck, and we'll be rolling. There's old Grouch this morning. Pepsi can ready and handle Dr. Peppers this morning.
Yeah, but I just got
You decided one of them blue can funds?
Yep.
All right, let's go to Chester, South Carolina, and then shoot over to Charlotte. Get Mr. Gary Ledbetter loaded in for the expo tomorrow. There you go, Fred. Go ahead and put that Alliance Drive-Away Solutions hat on. Got Jeremy Clements, 51 on the side. They partner with the number 51 in the Xfinity series. You'll see Alliance Drive-Away Solutions a lot this year in the racing. Well, yeah, I had my damn watermelon head on there, Fred. You have to adjust it to yours. He'll give you your own specific one when we get up there. He'll treat us to lunch. Well, on a partly cloudy day, rolling about 45 degrees, we're going to push these big trucks out of the way. They're just trying to make a dollar. Do a little bit of this 85 on 85 all the way to the Charlotte Racers Expo. Get set up today. Be ready to do some hobnobbing tomorrow. Talking about y'all slide over and let us in. Grab a gear and get gone. Made our way up 85 a little bit. Got a little thirsty. Throat a little dry. A little sinus deal going on. Jumped off here at the Anderson Motor Speedway exit. Get us something, wash the dryness away. So we'll be rolling in here with the Star Super Stock Tour on July the 22nd. Or June 22nd. The month before July. June 22nd. Saturday, June 22nd. 50 lapper to Anderson Motor Speedway. So real excited about that, close to home. Wish I could race, but got to be a promoter, get fussed at and cussed at. So it's real nice being on this side sometimes, sucks sometimes. Like when you're racing so close to home and you can't race. This 7-Eleven right here got the best slushies. I know everybody makes the 7-Eleven jokes and stuff, but that wasn't no joke. That's a real deal. So we slide in here to Anderson 7-Eleven, get us a Slim Jim and a Slurpee, and we'll be back on the road rolling into wherever Alliance Drive-Away Solutions is at in South Carolina. Fred said he won't get him a pina colada. Recovering alcoholic. I think I'm gonna slide me one of them Coca-Colas. I wasn't driving them, put Jack Daniels in it, but hey, go ahead and grab it. We in a hurry. Go ahead and grab you one there. Damn, I said grab one. You gotta get the big gulp.
the big gulp right there.
I got the big gulp myself. Whoa. He gonna get his pina colada. Well, me and Fred got our 7-Eleven Slurpees and some corn dogs for the road. What'd you say if you had some rum?
Had some rum, would be set.
You'd be over there floating and gloating in the passenger seat with your corn dog.
Feeling all right. No pain, no worry.
All right, we got our Slurpees and our groceries. Now, next stop, what used to be I-77 Speedway at Alliance Drive-Away Solutions. See Tate Lida. Grabbing a gear, get going, sneaking in, running just a tad bit behind, but that'd be all right. A little bit of this 85 on 85 catch us back up. We've done a little boogieing across the back skirts and outskirts of South Carolina. Now we rolled into Chester, South Carolina, almost to the Alliance Drive-Away Solutions. What Tate did was he bought old I-77 Speedway and made it into a hub. So we gonna both be seeing it. You, the viewer at home, me and Fred in this pickup truck, we both gonna be seeing it for the same time here in a second.
There, got the toolbox.
And Fred done found him a ramp truck he wants. Fred trying to figure out what all work it takes to do that. We almost here at the I-77 Speedway Alliance Drive-Away Solution. But we trying to figure out how to make us a ramp truck now. Get you one of them.
Yep.
Yeah, you drive back and forth work every day.
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah, that's it. He said it's a racetrack. I-77 Speedway. Said he left a sign up.
Well, everybody knows where it is and how hard.
He wasn't joking. There it is. Alliance Driveway Solutions. Right there's a racetrack. All right, Fred, let's jump out and check this out. This man really bought a racetrack and made it one of the parts of his business. Damn flag stand's still nice. No, that's, what do y'all think it is? Like a 4/10 mile long? Maybe a half mile? I don't know. Ain't know much about I-77 Speedway. Somebody on here watching this, let me know in the comments. Head down at the flag stand right here. Go see Mr. Tate. Watch the briars, Fred. Watch the briars. No, it ain't bad at all. We were just talking to Mr. Tate. He said this place had air-conditioned bathrooms and heated bathrooms. Nice little concession stand here. Said it's been about 10 years since they had a dirt race here. He was telling me a lot of people in this area think he's going to tear it down. He has no plans whatsoever of tearing it down. Old concession stand in here. Sold a lot of cheeseburgers out of here at the window over there. Said this was a 4/10 mile.
2011.
What'd you find there?
In memory of.
Oh, it's a sign there. Big old place. Owner talked about putting, Tate talked about putting some asphalt down. That'd be something free. I think he would just play. Nice beer joint though. I'm gonna take a ride with Tate Lighter now on the golf cart and get a tour of the I-77, the Diamond of the South. Man bought this for Alliance Driveway Saloon. Why did you buy this place?
To park trucks. We just needed some extra room and we needed this lot so it worked well. And I could also keep this place. I'm a custodian.
Custodian of the dirt. People think in the community they hear this place going away. You here to tell them that it's not.
If we can help it, we won't. We're going to keep it as long as we can and keep it as it is. And if somebody comes in here one day and wants to reopen it and promote it, by all means, it'll be here for them.
Tate gonna take us to go get a fried green tomato sandwich. We'll get you one more look. What Alliance Driveway Solutions does is deliver big rigs like these Kenworths and Peterbilt. So when you're here on the Star Superstock Tour this year, we always talk about the Alliance Driveway Solutions Cup. It's going to be the championship at the end of the year, and this is one of their lots. This happens to be I-77 Speedway. There's your ticket booth right there. Fred told me he needed 4 tickets, 2 kids, 2 adults. Walk into the grandstands. This was press boxes on top of this at one point. He gave us some hats and shirts to wear. Alliance Driveway Solutions at the Charlotte Racers Expo this weekend. Going to a place called the Front Porch. Say goodbye to the racetrack. See you again. Hopefully be asphalt on it next time. Mr. Tate there in his Tesla, he said the thing will run 237 miles an hour. He'll never do it, but that's what he said it'd run. Let's get on up here to the Front Porch and get us a fried green tomato sandwich. Then we'll be off on to, got to run to Denver, North Carolina, over to Fusion Graphics, Michael Falk. Then we'll be over to Charlotte Racers Expo. Ah, look at this place here, Fred, the Front Porch. It's like something forgotten time. Let's go on in here and get us some of that good country cooking. Real nice looking place. Front Porch Country Restaurant. Place over 100 years old. Said this used to be a dairy home. Absolute gorgeous place if you're ever around Chester, South Carolina. We got the fried chicken and the fried green tomatoes. Mr. Tate said there was a Netflix movie film back here. You get a piano, get you a little tune. A little bit of that last date while you sitting here eating your fried chicken. Gorgeous place here. All right. Didn't get y'all a picture of the food, but that joker wasn't nice. What'd you think about that fried chicken?
It was good.
Mighty fine good, wasn't it? Okay.
Green beans was awesome.
Green beans was awesome, Fred said. Front Porch Country Restaurant right here in Chester, South Carolina. All right, now we'll shoot over to Denver, North Carolina, Fusion Graphics to get our check for next week's race at Florence. Then over to the Charlotte Racers Expo in Concord.
Here you go.
All right, we jumped back on right here at I-77, obviously I-77 Raceway, right outside Charlotte, North Carolina. We got to shoot through there up I-77 through the big town of Mooresville, Race City, USA, to Fusion Graphic headquarters in Denver, North Carolina, to pick or check up a few other little things. Michael Falk and them take care of you anytime you need it. Yeah, that's the same Lee Falk Racing, Michael Falk. They do a lot of developmental late model stuff. So they got a graphics company on the side. They're going to be the official graphic company of the Star Superstock Tour this year. So a lot of partnerships. Shake the hands as much as you can, make connections. We're going to keep boogieing on down I-77, running 77. We've made it over here to Denver, North Carolina, and found all the traffic. So we'll snag this check real quick. Michael and them's going to New Smyrna to test, so we won't be able to see them. They're going down to Speed Weeks next week with their Pro Late Model program. We'll grab his check and we'll get on over to Concord. He left it at 3V in the industrial park, so I'll run in here real quick, snag it, and be on our way. Went and picked it up from Fusion Graphics. Check for next weekend. Some giveaways, some windshield banners. Got all the stuff. You're looking for anything for your race car, hit up Fusion Graphics. Throw this in the back of the Chevrolet, we'll be on the Concord. All right, now we're back on the road, leaving Denver, North Carolina, headed over to Concord, North Carolina, where the Charlotte Racers Expo's at. Get over there, it's about a 57-minute ride from here to there, and we'll get over there and see what our booth consists of. We had to buy 4 since we was gonna have the 2023 Star Superstock champion Gary Ledbetter's car in there tomorrow to attract more eyes and people over there. So we'll get there and see what all we got to set up with. We got some checks and some windshield banners, and got our Star Tour banner yesterday. So let's get over here and see if we can't decorate it and get the car loaded in. We have made it. When these cars quit coming, we'll turn on up in the, however you say it, Carabas Arena, Expo Center, whatever it is. Lady, hurry up. Get on in there. There it is. There's where the Charlotte Racers Expo is going to be. Get in here. Gary Ledbetter on his way with the car. I think they're doing a little testing, getting ready for the season opener next weekend at Florence. So they on their way now. Me and Fred go in here and show you the booth. Start getting set up. Here at the event center, right beside the arena. Fred said, how in the hell are we gonna get that race car in through them doors? I said, Daddy, you've been around long enough now. It's time for you to learn these event centers got a back door. Cool little race car over there. Sound like I got one crunk in there now. Let's go in here and find our spot. Just walking in, seeing this little contraption. This ain't the baddest little thing you ever seen. Half lawnmower, half go-kart. What it is, I had to go check their booth out this weekend. They got the drag cars rolling in. Blake with SRI got his booth set up. Just walking around waiting on Ledbetter and them to get here from Florence. Walked by the Grand National Super Series. They got a race car in their booth too. Got some more circle track stuff here. They're trying Velocity. They got some of the best fire suits in the business. I see their booth over there. I'm just trying to find somewhere to take a leak. Take y'all in here, Velocities. Take y'all in here and show you the auction part. Got a bunch of different racer stuff in here. Nice little cushion chairs they sit in while they bid on stuff. They got whole race cars in here for sale. I think auction starts like 10 o'clock tomorrow on Saturday. I mean, all kind of stuff. Carburetors, tires, wheels, axles, motors, heads, hoods, body parts. Anything and everything you can think of. You can buy a whole race car. Take a dirt car over there, an ARCA car over there, and they still bringing stuff in. Get you a quick look real quick. Some headers, drive shafts, bell housing, brake calipers, carburetor. They got all kind of stuff here. See some dirt wheels or some seat belt, brake fluid. Anything you think of, they gonna have for sale here tomorrow at the auction. And you can learn about the Star Superstock Tour from me while you're here. Like Caraway Speedway gonna have a booth here tomorrow. That's good. We wasn't able to get a race with them. We talked about it, but maybe next year, maybe 2025, we'll get a race at Caraway. We're over here patiently waiting. Ledbetter and them's coming in from Florence. We're gonna bring them in this door over here. About a 2-hour and 15-minute ride from Florence. They're getting ready for next weekend's race. As I told you earlier, we're gonna send them right down through here. Have to move the front gate ticket booth looking thing up there, and them big old 10-inch wide wheels coming in, and we'll get him in right down there, hang us a ride in our booth. Hell, they got a floor jack. It's practicing today. We'll do whatever we need to do to get them in there. It's gonna be a big day tomorrow, ain't it, Fred? Get the branding out. Hell, nothing else. You can go over and buy you something at the auction. Hell, you done found body braces and all kind of different stuff. You'll buy you another one of them fuel jugs. Hell, it ain't like 4 ain't enough that we already got.
We got 5.
Well, hell, might as well get 6 then.
Spend on 5.
Oh yeah, talk them down. Hell, it's flea market. While we're waiting, they're bringing another trailer in. I ain't never seen one like that. It's pretty neat, pretty cool with a forklift. Get it on in here for them fellas. Fred kept saying they got a charger in here. Pretty neat, ain't it, Fred? How much that cost?
$40.
$40. Charge your phone. Rental rate $2 for 30 minutes. $40 max, Fred. For $2 you get 30 minutes of charge. That ain't bad in an expo center like this. We're right here at the front gate. You can see the Star Superstock tour booth over there.
There's plugs.
Here comes my 2023 champion now. He made it 2 minutes quicker than what he told me he was gonna make it. Let's get him unloaded. Like I told you, they've been over at Florence practicing, getting ready. Real good to have my champion here. Go ahead and get the thing unloaded. So I get a race car in the Expo Center. Got it in here. We're gonna use floor jack now to bring it around, face the nose towards everybody as they come in. Yeah, you didn't find them crackers a while ago.
I got some crackers.
Damn back hurt now. I can't even bend over you.
We're trying to get the man across from us shine up. Gary Ledbetter, chrome.
I got us a candidate though. Let me see. Watch this. Hey, short britches. Hey, wipe the tire off for us. Yeah, appreciate it, man. You're gonna be my buddy for life. I got you a sticker tomorrow.
Look at that.
Yeah, bet 40. Hold. Bet 40.
The 2 green ones, they need to be back there. Yeah.
Bet 40 then. Bet 40. You said they leaked. Let's bet 40 on it. Let's what? 3
So we don't need another one
This ain't no
for it.
yard sale.
This ain't no yard sale.
This is official business. You wanna go yard sale? You need to get up early in the morning. I got one for you for $5. Yeah, I got something for you for $5.
I know I talk you out of something.
There's our neighbor right here, drive by Mafia tomorrow.
Yeah, here you go. Get your money out. Here, $25. I'm gonna give everybody in your damn team a sticker.
You want me to put it on the car?
No, we got a better sticker for that.
We got the car loaded in. Hell, we heard a car running. This dude over here got iRacing going. We come running over here.
What? Whoa.
All right, we got everything set up for tomorrow. Starts at 9 o'clock, goes to 6 o'clock. Get the word out about the Star Superstock tour tomorrow. Well, that's gonna put an end to the busy day that we have had. So we're gonna get on up out of here and head back to Georgia. So, all the fun we had today. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you can come out to the Concord, to the Charlotte Racers Expo tomorrow, or I guess today when y'all see this, come and see us, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Take care.